Hello, I'm Panroy J from CSP. Welcome to our product video about CSP MO180 volt and 30 amperes manual battery charger. Today, we'll be taking a look at CSP MO180 volt 30 amperes battery charger. It is perfect battery charger for industries that rely on large-scale battery systems such as battery stores, manufacturing plants, warehouse, and logistics. This battery charger rated at 180 volts and 30 amperes, which is a powerful device designed to charge high-capacity batteries. It requires manual adjustment of the charging current and voltage. At the top of the charger, we have a powerful indicator in the middle of two analog meters about current and voltage. This indicator provides charger status such as power on-off, charging in progress of charging or charging complete. Next, we have two analog meters, one for current and one for voltage output. This allows you to monitor the charging process in real time. The current meter displays the charging current in ampere, while the voltage meter indicates the output voltage in the volts. Below the meters, you will find two knob switches, one for adjusting the charging current and other for setting the output voltage. These knobs provides precise control over the charging parameters, allowing you to tailor the charging process to the specific requirements of your batteries. To the left below, we have DC output switch. Below two knob switch, we have DC circuit breaker, and then we have battery timer. We have DC output terminal. These terminals where you connect the batteries or device you want to charge. The charger delivers direct current DC to the battery through this terminal. Additionally, we have a timer switch. This switch allows you to set a specific charging duration, after which the charger will automatically shut off. This feature is used to preventing overcharging and ensuring the safety of your battery. At the right hand side, we have 222 AC input. It is used for connecting the charger to an AC power source. The charger converts the AC input into DC. Lastly, we have the turn off switch. The switch allows you to power off the charger when it's not in use or when you have completed the charging process. In the summary, the interface of the CSP MO180 volt 30 amperes battery charger is designed for precision control. With its lights, indicator, analog meters, knob switches, and output terminators, you have everything you need. Efficiently charge high-capacity batteries while monitoring the charging process closely. Before using this charger, it's important to take several safety precautions to ensure the safety of yourself, others, and the equipment. Before using the machine, prepare safety glasses, insulated gloves, multimeter and thermometer to protect against electrical hazards and to see the battery's temperature. It comes with one DC output connection cable. This cable is used to connect the charger to the batteries you are charging. It typically has connectors on both ends. One end for attaching the charger DC output terminals and the other end for connecting to the terminal of the batteries. And it comes with other 10 small battery connection. These small battery connectors are to connect multiple batteries to each other. This charger needs 220 volt. As you see, it is already connected with 220 volt in a different circuit breaker. After the charger is connected with 222 volts, connect the batteries in series. Arrange them in a series configuration. I'm going to connect 12 volt, 10 individual Optima 44 AS batteries. Charging batteries of the same specifications, voltage and manufacture date is important because it ensures uniform charging conditions which can expand the lifespan of batteries and reduce the risk of damage or malfunction. Charging batteries with different specifications or conditions can lead to uneven charging, imbalance in cell capacities, and potentially unsafe conditions. So the battery has an arrangement of positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. For the second row, we use positive, negative, positive, negative action. We must always face the positive pole in the first row, that is always has the positive electrode facing this direction. In the end, I left one positive and one negative pole to connect a battery charger. Connect the positive terminal of one battery to the negative terminal of the next battery until all batteries are connected in a chain. "12 volt, 10 batteries have been connected in the series. So our voltage should be 120 volt. Let's see, but it's showing 121. That is okay. Again, let's check battery voltage individually. It is 12 volt and the next is 11. It means battery is at different stage of charge. In some case, if you are using different brand and old batteries, make sure if any poor connections or lower voltage output or damaged batteries, which affect the battery's voltage. So in series, all 12 volt 10 batteries should be 120. These battery chargers need 220 volt power circuit. After charger is connected with 220 volt more, now I'm going to connect DC output connector. Make sure you connect in the positive into positive and negative. Once after it is connected, connect your charger into positive and negative. After battery is connected, adjust the current and voltage. First set the current flow at 1 and slowly increase the voltage output until current meter moves. Now at this point, our battery is charging with 5 amperes. 5 ampere is good for battery health and maintenance. But in some situations, if you want to increase more power, just make higher ampere as depending on battery's capacity and battery's need. But in our situation, we only need 5 ampere current. At this moment, our battery is being charged with 4 ampere. So for example, for me, 4 ampere is low. So I can increase, if I increase the voltage, then my ampere goes up to 20. So I don't want 20, but I want 10. If so, then I'll decrease my voltage and I'll increase the current until I make my wishes amperes. So at this point, I want to charge my battery in 5 amperes, and so I'll increase current until I find my desired ampere. While being charging, every 30 minutes, every time to time, take the temperature of your batteries. Like at this point, my battery temperature is 26. Check every individual batteries. After the batteries are fully charged, turn off the charger. Reduce all the power voltage, and when everything is shut down, then voltage goes to 0 and amperes go to 0, and then disconnect batteries from the charger. After charging is complete, inspect the batteries and charger for any signs of overheating, damage or other abnormal situation, and store the batteries in cool, dry place until they are ready for use. You can safely and effectively charge 10 to 12 batteries at the same time in series connection. If you are working with large-scale batteries,